So, I want to ask you, do you think SPACs are here to stay, or will they remain more niche solution in the capital markets toolbox?
Yes, I do believe the SPACs are here to stay, but I also don't believe that everyone should get a SPAC the way we saw the mood was set in 2021. I think SPACs will carve out a purposeful and strategic role, especially for companies that don't kind of fit neatly into the traditional IPO model, whether that's because their business model or is a little bit different, more unique, they're early in their growth stage, or the story is a bit more complex. They also continue to be valuable options for potential corporate spinoffs. We've seen a few of those last year for some post-reorganizational stories that have more time to tell the story, or for international companies that are seeking access to U.S. capital markets. The SPAC markets reminds a little bit about the development of the junk bond markets, how the high yield debt evolved. In the early 80s, junk bonds were used and viewed as very speculative, and they used mostly for LBOs. The market overheated, collapsed, but now it's matured into a very large, almost 5 trillion global asset class. It found its place. I kind of feel the SPACs potentially are in a similar journey. They're alternative to, an IPO. They're different in the development of the high yield market, but there's a lot of things that kind of rhyme with that development. They both went through rapid growth, a painful correction, and now kind of a more disciplined and durable phase. So, if they're used responsibly, I think SPACs are a powerful tool. It's not necessarily a shortcut, but I think it's a very solid alternative for companies that are looking for a listing in the U.S. capital markets.